Setting up favorite folders in Outlook 2016. This video assumes you already have an existing email account and it's configured in Outlook. Now let's learn how to use the Favorite Folders section of Outlook. At the top of the left menu, you'll notice a section for favorite folders. If you manage several email accounts with each containing several folders, this list of accounts and folders on the left may get quite long. There may only be a few folders that you use most of the time, and it would be helpful if they were easily accessible. To do this, simply add your favorite folders to this Favorite Folders section. Let's go ahead and add one now. Locate a folder that you denote a favorite and right-click it. Then click Show in Favorites. That's it! Our folder is now also listed in the Favorites section. Please note that the folders listed here are mirrored copies of the folders, so anything you do with them in the Favorites section, like add or remove messages, will also happen in the folder's main location. You can have as many folders in your Favorites section as you like. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to set up favorite folders in Outlook.